how to log in on MetaTrader 5. Now you need to proceed back to your broker webpage because that is where you get your login details from for the account I opened earlier. You can see it says server and empty login, okay? In case you can't see this on your device, you can just always come here, refresh your page, and once it's refreshed, you can always click on the account, or you can either click on trade, or you can click on these three dots where you get a menu with different options. And here you can see it says account information. We click on it and we are presented with all our account information. This is the server, this is the login, and of course you have to remember your password. So I've copied my login details and now I have to paste them here because this is a new MT5 account I want to connect. So I click on connect with an existing account. There's no need to open a new account because we have opened our MT5 account already on Exness webpage. So it's always a good idea to open the account on the website and just come here and connect that account. So you paste the login. This is the login. Let me be sure. The login says 154. Yes. And the password. So let me input my password. And then you are going to check the server. Always make sure to double check the server. What does the server's name say over here? The server says Exness MT5 trial 9. That means you have to look for Exness MT5 trial 9. It's the last one, and then you click on finish. And now you can see we're inside our MetaTrader account. You can see here it says 500 USD, just like it says right here. 500 USD. I hope you find this useful. See you soon.